Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the network so Bastion can attach. This is critical. Create a resource group and a VNet in the same region, then add an Azure Bastion subnet using a /26 or /27 prefix to reserve enough addresses. Once done, provision a standard SKU public IP and keep it dedicated to Bastion. Make sure network security groups do not block the subnet. Bastion needs to reach your VMs. Now you have the essential prerequisites in place and can begin deployment immediately. You deploy the Bastion resource next, choosing Portal, Azure CLI, or an ARM template. Use whichever matches automation needs. Select the VNet, pick the Azure Bastion subnet, and attach the standard public IP you created. Make sure subnet delegation and UDRs won't intercept traffic. Bastion requires outbound access on HTTPS and internal reachability to VM NICs. Allow port 443 for the service and confirm NSG rules, permit the necessary. You finish by connecting. Go to the VM blade and portal, choose Connect, then Bastion and supply credentials. Bastion opens an RDP or SSH session in browser. You can also configure native client tunneling if required. Verify DNS, private IP reachability, and RBAC permissions if login fails, and monitor connection logs. If something goes wrong, check NSG rules, the Azure Bastion subnet allocation, and the public IP binding first. These are the most common causes. Then review activity logs to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.